Now I start. In this video, I will explain the relation of circumference and radius of a circle and how the relation was established with the help of these objects. Okay. Now, what is the circumference of a circle? Friends, this is a circle and this is the circumference, and the length is the boundary line of the circumference of the length is the boundary line of the circle. So we cannot measure the length in a conventional way with a ruler or any measurement tool because it is a curved line. So if we imagine that we cut the circle in one point and we straighten it, then the length will come in this form. Like here you see, I have taken a rubber band, consider it as a circle, and if I cut it in one point, then the length of circumference is the length of circumference of the rubber band is this one, and we can place it on a ruler and we can get the measurement. But in practical way, how we can measure the length of circumference of a circle? Here is a circular object, one bangle. Now friends, I have taken one thread, I press it with my finger, I wrap it around the periphery of the bangle, and the two ends meet at a point and we get the circumference of the bangle. And if we place it on the ruler, we'll get it. It is approximately 20 centimeter. So this way we can measure the circumference of a circular object. Now friends, there is another way. Here you see, I have drawn a line on a plane. This paper is the plane, and here I have taken the bangle, I have marked it in one point. I have now placed it on the along the line. I have placed it on the line, and here also I'll mark the point of contact of the bangle and the line. These two marks will coincide. Now friends, I will roll it along the line. I'll roll it along the line and just make one round straight, and when the green mark will touch the line here, just it is moved a slide. Okay, so here I will mark it so that one round is completed. So both the mark they coincide here. So now this length will be the circumference of the bangle, length of circumference of the bangle. Now we took this measurement. If we place it approximately, both the lengths are same. So this is 20 centimeter. This way we can find. Now friends, we are going to find the relation between circumference and radius. So we need the length of radius. Here is a thread. We'll measure the length of diameter. Why? Because friends, to get more appropriate value, we will take diameter, length of diameter. We know that D is equal to 2R. So afterwards we'll convert D into R, because for radius we have to gauge the center also. So to avoid error, we will take the measurement of diameter. So this is the measurement of diameter approximately. This is the measurement. Now what we'll do, we will compare the length of diameter and circumference of the bangle. Now here this is one fold, this is two fold, this is three fold, and a little more. Okay, so this is three-fold and a little more. So we'll take another case. Here I have taken a lid of a box and it is bigger than the bangle, so size is bigger. Here also this is the measurement of the length of the circumference, and this is the length of diameter. Now here too, if we compare both the lengths, see, we'll get one fold, two fold, three fold, and little more. So friends, we can write that length of, we can take several cases and we'll get this result only. So we can write length of circumference is equal to 3 times length of diameter plus little more. Every case will give this result. So in ancient history, the mathematicians, to get more appropriate value, they wanted to find the ratio of circumference and diameter. So for that, they took same object but of different sizes, and they measured the length of circumference and length of diameter and found the ratio. So to explain, friends, here I have taken 3 circles of different sizes. This circle I have given circumference C1 and D1 as named. It is named as C2 by C2 and D2, C3 and D3. This is circumference, this is diameter. So the ratio C1 by D1, it will be here. It will be the, after measurement, they found C3 by D3. Now friends, the mathematicians, they found that each ratio, there were several cases, so each ratio give a value which is very close to 3.14. We can write that C1 by D1, here is C2 by D2, C3 by D3. I have taken 3 cases, very close to 3.14. It is an irrational number, so it is approximate value. So each ratio gives the result which is very, very close to 3.14. So we can write that C1 by D1 is equal to C2 by D2 is equal to C3 by D3 is equal to 3.14. Now another form of 3.14 is 22 by 7. It is also an rational number. So friends, 3.14 and 22 by 7 are not exactly same, but they are very close to each other. So we can put equal to sign. So this relation, they found that C1 by D1 is equal to 3.14, C2 by D2, C3 by D3, like that. So we can, so here you see, they give the name of this constant value 3.14 or 22 by 7 as pi. It is a symbol, it is a Greek symbol, and the name is pi. We pronounce it as pi. So friends, I want to add 1-2 lines here about the Greek symbol pi. You know, Greek mathematicians were the pioneer of geometry. You know, so there were great mathematicians, Thales, then Euclid, then Archimedes, Pythagoras also. These great mathematicians were from Greece and they were the pioneer of geometry. And friends, Thales also and Euclid also are called as the father of geometry. You know, even the geometry word, it came from Greek language. Geo means earth and metron in Greek language it means measurement. It means measurement. So from this geo and metron, geometry word came, means measurement of earth. So it is obvious that the Greek this symbol pi will come from Greek language. So now friend, we can write in general that C by D is equal to pi, or we can write C by 2r. We know that diameter is equal to twice radius. We can write pi, or C is equal to 2r into pi, dot means multiplication. Then we can arrange this way, twice pi. No sign is there means multiplication sign. So all are multiplied. We can change the place, twice pi r. Therefore we can write C is equal to twice pi r. Now friends, this is the relation between circumference and radius, and circumference and radian, and we find out the value of circumference using this formula. This is the formula actually. So I will explain some examples using this relation in the next video. And friends, please subscribe my channel. I have posted 3 videos, and if you like my video, please like and share. Thank you.